Every pitch he throws keeps the hitters off balance and frustrated. When he's working on the knees of the strike zone, gets soft contact and swing and miss. His last 2 years of Parsons' career, he has had less than 5 walks in a total of all outings, spring and summer, which means he's a big-time strike thrower. It could be any pitch in any count. The left-hander, Hugh Parsons. We will enjoy watching you work.
Roll it. Roll it.
Gotta come get it. Hey, middle backside. Come on, Hugh. Okay. Simple. Ball 1-4 we need.
That ball was hit really hard, and I played down there at first base. That ball comes at you quick. Kept it in front, gave him a chance. That's great hustle.